Here Rakesh Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9th. Lines and angles. Exercise 6.1. Question number 1 is given. In figure, line AB and CD intersect at O. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. And BOD is equal to 40 degree. Find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE. So here, first of all, you will see here AB is a line. AB and CD intersect at O. AB is a straight line. What is given, you write down. AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. AOC and BOE, these two angles sum is 70 degree given. And angle BOD is even 40 degree. So to find, heading is given, to find angle BOE, this angle, and reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE, where is the COE? Reflex angle COE means first of all we calculate the COE, then subtract from 360. So because AB is a straight line, so sum of these angles, this angle is 180 degree. Angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE, all three angles sum is 180 degree by straight angle. What is called? A straight angle. Now at the place of AOC plus BOE, it is given 70 degree. You will put here 70 degree plus 70 plus angle COE is equal to 180. Now COE is equal to 110 degree. COE you are getting 110 degree. So reflex of this. First of all you get this straight. Reflex angle means COE is this angle. It is called reflex angle. If it is C and it is O, it is E, then it is called the reflex angle. This angle is called reflex angle. So from 360 you subtract this 110 degree. It is 110. From 360 you subtract, you get 250 degree. One answer is over. This is very easy. First part, BOE is very easy because AOC plus BOE is 70 degree. AOC, here AOC and BOD is vertically opposite angles. It is 40 degree, so it will be also 40 degree. Vertically opposite angle. So you will get here BOD is equal to AOC is equal to 40 degree vertically opposite. These two angles vertically opposite angle. At the place of AOC you write 40 degree. You will get 70 minus 40, 30 degree. Second question is given. In this figure, XY is a line and PO is a XY and MN intersect. Two lines are given, straight line XY and MN intersect at O, and OP is a ray. OP is a perpendicular on it. Sign is given. A ratio B is given 2:3. You want to get C. Here, this 90 degree sign, because MN and XY is a straight line, so it is intersecting at O. First of all, POY is given 90 degree. What is given you write down. To find here, to find, what will you get? To find angle C. Solution, angle POX, angle POY, because here if we take the angle A ratio B is given 2:3, let angle A is 2x and angle B is 3x. Angle POY is given 90 in the figure. So angle POX will be also 90 because of linear pair. This angle will be 90 and this is the sum of A and B. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 means x will be 18 degree. You are getting the x 18 degree. It means you want C. So you want to get B first. So angle B is 3x, 3 into 18 is equal to 54. 54 degree. 54 degree. So this whole angle is 180 degree because MN is a straight line. So because MN is a straight line, so B plus C is equal to 180 degree. 54 plus C 180, so C will be 180 minus 54, 126 degree. Third question is given. In figure, angle PQR is equal to PRQ. Prove that PQS is equal to PRT. This given third question, PQR, this angle is equal to this angle, it is given. You want to prove this angle is equal to this angle. Given to proof and proof. Heading. ST is a straight line because it is produced. ST is a straight line. So this plus this 180 degree, PQS plus PQR. This plus this is equal to 180. Straight angle, equation number 1. By linear pair. This side also, angle PRT and angle PRQ. PRT and angle PRQ is also 180 because of the linear pair. Both right side is equal, so left side will be also equal. So by first and second, you are getting PQS plus PQR is equal to PRQ plus PRT. PQS plus PQR is equal to PRQ plus PRT. You are getting, because these two are equal, so anyone you replace, PQR and PRQ, out of these two, it is given this is equal to this, so you replace PQR by PRQ. So both the side you cancel. What is left? PQS is equal to PRT. Hence proved. Question number 4 is given this figure. Question number 4 has a one, no any line is given. Only figure rays are given. OA, OB, OC and OD are the rays. OA, OB and OC. OA, OB, OC and OD are the rays, and a condition is given x plus y is equal to W plus Z. You want to prove AOB is a straight line. So first of all, here you see given x plus y is equal to W plus Z. To prove AOB is a straight line, this is a straight line. X, Y, Z, W is angles given. First of all, at a point, any point, whole angle is how much? 360 degree. So with this rule, you will draw like this the lines. So what will you get? How many angles? At O, 4 angles formed. All 4 angles sum will be 360 according to the rule of point. So at the place of these names, you write the x, y, z, w. So z is this, z, w, x, y I have written at the place of AOD. From here I have started AOD, DOB, BOC and COA. And these replaced by alphabet. So these two alphabet is given in the question. It is given x plus y is equal to w plus z. So at the place of w plus z you can write x plus y. So sum of these two will be twice 2x plus y. So 2 will go that side and you are getting x plus y is 180. This full angle you are getting 180. Then what is this? It means it is a straight angle. By the theorem in the previous lecture I have told you it is a straight angle formation. So it forms a straight line. Therefore AOB is a straight line. Hence proved. Question number 5 is given here. What is the question number 5? There is a one figure given. PQ is a line. OR is a perpendicular on PQ. POQ a line. OR perpendicular to PQ. OS is a ray between OP and OR. You want to prove angle, this angle. ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. See here, you are getting the figure this. POQ is a straight line. OR is perpendicular on it. It is 90 degree. You want to prove this small angle. So first of all, I am letting this angle is x. Given to prove and prove. Heading is very important. ROS you are writing X. So what is the ROQ? ROQ is 90 given. So ROQ is right in the form of QOR. Means from this angle you subtract this full angle is this 90 plus X. Here I have written QOS is equal to ROQ plus ROS. ROQ 90 given, or this you have left. So I have written it is equation number 1. Now this side ROP. ROP is the 90 degree given because of linear pair. This is 90, then this side will be also 90. This 90 divided in two parts, ROS plus POS. ROS is X. X plus POS is equal to 90. It is equations 2. Compare both right side again 90. No, here both the side by first and second I am putting what? Value of 90. Value of 90 in equation 1. Value of 90 from here you are writing at the equation number 1. How? QOS is equal to 90. 90 replaced by X plus 2 POS. This you are writing at this place. At the place of 90 is equal to plus X. So open the bracket, X plus X, 2X, 2X plus POS. POS transpose this side, you will get QOS minus POS is equal to 2X. Then what is X? 2 will come, half of the QOS minus POS, and it is your proof. Left to right side, you can write ROS this side. X means ROS. Now you will see the last question of this, 6th question, which is given. No figure. XYZ is 64 degree. XY is produced to P. Draw a figure and then draw a ray YQ which bisect ZYP, and then find XYQ and reflects QYP. First of all, we will draw XYZ 64. Drawn. First of all, XYZ. It is how much? 64 degree. Then produce XY to P. Where? XY to P. This side will produce. And now draw a YQ, a line which is bisect this angle. This is equal to this. You want to find out XYQ. We want this full angle and QYP reflex angle. First of all, because XY produced to P, so it is a straight angle or not? XY produced to P means it is a straight line. So what is the sum of this and this angle? This plus this, red line. PY is a line, it means ZYP. ZYP plus ZYX is equal to 180, linear pair. It is 64 given, put here 64, then what is the ZYP? ZYP is equal to how much? 116 degree. But one more thing is given, YQ is the bisector of this whole angle. It means this and this is half of full angle. So here we will see YQ is the bisector of ZYP, like this figure is given again here. So this is the YQ. YQ is the bisector of ZYP. This is. So this angle is equal to this angle. So half of this PYQ is equal to QYZ is equal to half of ZYP. Half of 116, 58 degree, you are getting this. And it is given 64 degree. It is 64, it is 58, then what is this? XYQ. XYQ is this angle. XYQ is sum of 64 and 58. Add 122 degree this full angle. You are getting XYQ 122 degree. Now you want the reflex of this angle. It is P and it is Q. Reflex of PYQ is equal to, this angle is given how much? 58 degree. You want this. You want this angle. Reflex means rest part of the angle of given angle. Means 360 minus QIP. QIP 58, you are getting 302 degree. So it is 302 degree. This 302 degree outer angle. And it is 122 degree full. So these two angles, without figure it is given. That's all for today. And next lecture will give the rest part.